What if you could make rich, flavorful chicken biryani at home, without standing over the stove for hours? This air fryer chicken biryani is simple, efficient, and packed with bold, authentic flavor. Start by rinsing the rice until the water runs clear, then cook it until it's about 70 to 80% done. This step is key to getting perfectly fluffy grains later. In a bowl, marinate the chicken with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, chili powder, garam masala, and salt. Mix it well so every piece is fully coated, then let it rest while you prepare the rest of your ingredients. Next, get your fresh components ready. Sliced onions, chopped tomatoes, coriander, and herbs. These add depth and freshness to the biryani. Now comes the layering, the heart of perfect biryani. First, add a layer of marinated chicken in your dish. Then add a layer of partially cooked rice on top. Sprinkle fried onions, fresh coriander, and herbs. Repeat the layers if needed for extra depth and flavor. Set your air fryer between 160 to 180 degrees Celsius, or 320 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the dish inside and cover it to trap the steam. This helps the chicken cook through while the rice finishes perfectly. Top it with fried onions, fresh coriander, and a light drizzle of oil or butter for richness. Let it air fry for about 20 to 30 minutes. As it cooks, the flavors blend together beautifully, creating that signature biryani aroma and taste. Once done, gently fluff the rice to reveal perfectly cooked layers of tender chicken and fragrant rice. Serve it hot, topped with fresh coriander, lemon slices, and your favorite sides like raita and salad. And just like that, you've made a complete, restaurant-style chicken biryani using your air fryer.